Most people think that cookie banners are going to hurt conversions, but what if a really well-designed consent experience actually helps visitors to trust your website more? Trust is one of the most valuable assets that any website can have. Visitors make decisions within seconds of arriving on your website, and the experience they get from your cookie banner can make a big difference. Now, a really confusing or aggressively in-your-face cookie banner could put them off, especially if it causes uncertainty or concern, which doesn't make sense. Anything that appears professional increases credibility for me. Do you agree with me that when you feel informed and respected, you're more likely to engage and share information and grant consent? And that's why I like using CookieBot, because they understand that good consent management isn't about forcing people into a decision. Take a look at CookieBot's cookie banner on this website. After logging into my dashboard, I'm going to go to configuration, go to design, and I'm going to select a custom color. I've added in my brand color, and wouldn't you agree that looks so much better because it fits my website brand, and it looks just as good on the mobile. And by the way, CookieBot does allow you to set your defaults, so if you just want to have necessary enabled and let the user make that decision, you can do. And I do find that the tabs up here that are now going to tell me about what the necessary cookies are that are being collected or what's being collected for marketing helps me to be more informed, and I can decide individually if I'm going to enable them. Can you be any more transparent? So if you want to mess around with the colors or switch to a different type of layout or where it sits on the screen, you can do that. The goal of cookie banners isn't to trick your visitors into accepting, because good consent experience aren't just about ticking compliance. It's about building trust, and trust is one of the biggest conversion tools that any website can have.